Hey, what's up? Welcome back to another video. And today I got a special edition for the ladies and a giveaway. If you got any girlfriends that needs an awesome watch face, tell them to comment on this video. Let's check it out. Hey, what's up ladies? Welcome back to another video. And today we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out by DW. Now the name of the watch face is called DW06. It's a very nice look. I'm quite sure you're gonna like this one. The last one I believe might have been too girly for some of you all. Maybe this watch face is on point. And if you know anybody that has a Gear 3 watch face, ladies or gentlemen that wants a free watch face, then all you got to do is comment. We got a few watch faces to give away to you all. So at the end of the video, make sure you comment. Now again, the name of the watch face is called DW, and always on mode. You're going to get all your important information like your steps, and you're going to get your digital time. Now when the watch face is on, look at the top. At the top, you got your second hand that's rotating across the bezel of the watch. I'm liking that look. You also get a PM stamp. You get your battery info, get your digital time, and I like the font. You get Friday and your date. You also get what's important to most people, especially the ladies. You get your step info. And it is interactive, so if I tap or double tap right here, I could change the color of the butterflies and the flowers. I don't know, ladies, hit me in the comment section below. Let me know if you like this one. At the bottom, if I single tap, I can make a phone call. And if I tap on the time, I can set an alarm. If I tap on the date, it brings up my calendar. I thought this was a really good look. I can get my step status info, calories burned. What do you think, ladies? Is it too girly or is it just right? All right, ladies. This is a special edition going out just for you. Hope you enjoyed it. Hit me in the comment section below. Let me know your honest thoughts. All right, you all, enjoy your weekend. Have fun and or relax. But whatever you do, again, always be safe. All right, you all, I'll see you all at the next video. Take care.